We actually have the best cocoa beans and the best coffee beans in the world. And we need to see people know it, and our farmers need to get the price. You know, our farmers don't get paid fairly, but when we get access to the market, they can, you know. The great secret in the chocolate industry is to buy mediocre cocoa beans from Central America and mediocre cocoa beans from Africa, and buy really good beans from Papua New Guinea and mix it together, and that's how you make good chocolate. It's the same thing in coffee. You can't make good coffee, you can't make good chocolate without us. So we have the best. We just got an order for cocoa powder from a Japanese customer. So in about 2 weeks, we're going to ship our first shipment to Japan for cocoa powder, which is quite exciting. So when we get the chocolate factory, I'm going to talk to you about that, because as you add value, you know, cocoa beans, as John will tell you, is sold now for $2,300 US a ton, but cocoa powder is $3,500 a ton. So we add value and it goes out, we make a lot more money for the country and create more jobs. So it's very good for us.
You know, the next few years, if these programs are well oiled and run, if the grower gets good price for every produce they grow, we pick them up, government pick them up and bring to point of export or point of processing. And we want to target the Japanese market for all our exports. At the moment they're buying just a few tuna and the others. And I said, look, food is an everyday need.
Yes.
And if our food, organic label can be sent to you. So I just said, you go and stay there. You be our trade person also. We're going to fix Japanese mission to be also a point of contact for all our possible exports.